my talk because we have some visitors here at our house and we not too want to make too much noise. So anyways, we're gonna make breakfast. So that's what I'm in the kitchen doing. This is gonna be a week in my life vlog. I decided I want to do one this week. I've been slacking up on giving you guys videos and I really feel bad. So most of my actually have efforts. So that's what this is. Making an effort kind of vlog. So this is Monday. And I gotta unmake my bed when the room is dark so I can't never film. So yeah. So I'm gonna fix up this corned beef thing for breakfast and then I'll see you guys there. I won't be able to film like everything because things would have to be rushed. We have different situations right now, so you know, have to rush because I'm going to one bathroom now and all that. So anyways, we don't want to keep up with time, so I'll see you guys later. Guys, so I'm back home. It is Monday afternoon. We just get home and packages are here to be opened. Yeah, so we have packages to open, so we're gonna open them. I don't know even where I'm gonna put you guys down because I want to sit and do this. So I'm gonna grab myself a scissors and then let's open a nice medium or something. Alright, so not all 4 packages are mine. I definitely know that the bottom one, the box, is mine because I'm the only one who ordered something from Amazon. So I know that one is mine. So let me open that first. We're gonna open the Amazon package. This was a mostly kind of neat, no, not really a need to basis. I really wanted to. These are important stuff. This is my issue with Amazon, but me understand why. I 3 things me order off Amazon here. 3. But the things, they need to be protected. I understand that. The barcode. Anyway, so the first thing I needed, my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It done, like literally me shake out everything outside. Shake it out, flash it out, everything. Nothing left in there. So me now have not left in that. So I bought one more. Wait, so this is it. My Cetaphil. Can't buy this in Jamaica. It's too expensive. So I'm not even look for it. So this is my Cetaphil. What's fucking that? And then the next thing is a breast tape kit. It's supposed to come with the boob tape. I call it boob tape. I don't know why I'm calling it breast tape, but so may I try get ready for the summer. It looked a little bit, the last time I buy one, it did look more than this. Like this look a little bit, and it looked little. Anyways, so it's a boob. It comes with boob tape. It comes with, I don't know what this is. It comes with the silicone nipple covers and then the regular nipple covers. Ooh, and it comes with a bag so I can carry it in. That's so cute. I like that. So yes, that's what that comes with. You see the color these? It looks so weird. Ah. And then the next thing I got from Amazon was a water bottle. I don't know why it's so big. that is huge. It's supposed to be one of those, they call them broccoli. Broccoli you can't keep hot and cold. Yeah. Mighty, it look big, yo. So it's supposed to come with 2 different tops. So this is one of the tops it comes with. This is the, I'm trying to go. Oh, this is the one that the straw can go into. So yeah, I'm gonna look at the next one. We can't do this. Mighty. Guys, no wonder there's something so big. I did not know the bottle was this big. I was expecting a broad, but probably about yassa buckle. No, this is what you call. We can't go with this. Wanna just take her. Guys, honestly, I was expecting a broad bottle. I wasn't expecting a long bottle. So, we still can't look at this gas school. This is a yard, like, yard and going out. Something when we have my own vehicle or something. This was not expected. Anyways, so come with this bottle. Don't mind the something else I do. Anyways, come with this bottle here. Yeah. No wonder there's something I did £3. This entire bottle is £2 in itself. Come here, wonder why my Amazon order is so much money. I think this was like $2,000 and something for ship. Might see. So it comes with that cover, the cover that you can just put your head and like suck up with the straw. And it comes with this one that has the, we don't need no straw, kinda. And then it also came with an extra straw and the straw cleaner. So yeah, that's what it came with in this big ass thing. Can't believe this all done. I am gonna put this down back in this bottle thingy and show my mother when we done unbox the rest of the things them. You see, that's the way you must look for sizing and sitting. I do not remember taking an 87 ounce. Anyways, so I think about 1 or 2 of these packages are supposed to be mine. I don't know which one. So we're gonna have to just open all of them. All of them I forgot open by Shanake. And whichever one is not mine, I just put it down into my sister. So, you know. This don't look like that. This look like one of the kids something. Push it on there. Yeah, this one is like it. No, not buying nothing like that. Alright, so this is one of mine. Alright, so I bought some stuff for somebody. This is one of them. Now I'll show you that. This is another. Hopefully you can fit them. Anyways, and then I bought this for the summer. Because it's summer. And I'll be going in water. So I bought a water case. And I buy some bath suits. Some summer things. This is the summer order. My graduation order don't reach it. Okay, so I ordered my graduation suits. And I ordered some summer stuff. So the summer stuff are the ones that reach. Never did I expect this. I expect something else. But yeah. I bought this mesh bath suit cover up thing. Yeah. You know? I don't intend to do a try and all right now because my body's sweaty. Probably later or something. I don't even know. Anyways, and then one of the baths cute. So it's 2 baths, but one of them come in a quick ship. So I'm assuming I can't eat this. I'm not expecting it so big. Sorry, tell me I didn't get it. It's supposed to be quick ship. You know what? Anyway, so this is one of the swimsuit. This is from SHEIN Swim. Ooh, cute. So I am like a long sleeve kind of girl. I love long sleeve clothes. I am just always for the long sleeves. So I decided I'm going to try one of the long sleeve kind of bats. Cutes. So this is it. I bought it in 2X. Was it 2X? Because honestly, my yes, 2X. My bottom area is 2X, and then I'm saying like this must can fit, right? At least with tights. So yes, this is it. It's a long sleeve top, and it has the matching buttocks. Right there. Yeah, it's supposed to be away. The front, the back. Yeah, this is it. So yes, these are for the summer. Period. So this is one of the bath suits. I only ordered 2. There is supposed to be another one, but as I said, if it is not in this one, I'm just praying to God that it doesn't get lost like my mother's stuff. I did order one time and it get lost, and I know we don't get it back. So let's pray to God that's not what will happen ever again. Because the thing is about SHEIN, you know, it's harder to deal with the Amazon. So in the Amazon, you kind of I don't know it too. So my sister stuff, please. Yeah, these are my sister stuff. And she bought to sell and something. So my bad suit for my want the reach. Praying and hoping it reach. I'm gonna want to use it last. So my sister wants it. Anyway, so this is the end of this unboxing kind of haul. You know? I'll see you guys in the rest of the vlog for the rest of the week. I don't know what else is gonna happen for the rest of the week, but yeah. So guys, we started the biz. We got some earrings on sale. Probably by the time this vlog come out, I'm already done anyways. I don't know if I'm still showing about. This is a part of my week. Gonna have people buying. Anyways, this is a part of my week. So I don't even know. I'm supposed to have like a lot of footage, so I'm not even know what it's about. Anyways, we got some earrings. So putting them in some bags and putting our sticker on it. Yeah, like look how cute. Yeah. So yes, those are the earrings that we got. So we just separate and stuff. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So it's Tuesday and I'm heading out to work. So yes, no I'm going today. My hair want wash, you want pull out, I just can't bother. But Drea should not see me. Anyways, I'll see you guys my next day. Bye. So I have my final class of the day and I'm exhausted. I'm just ready to go home. So tell me why when it comes down to summer, like when you know say holidays to reach, that's when you're most exhausted. Like I'm tired. But anyways, last class of the day. So I'm going to be teaching algebra, so I got my algebra stuff. Yeah. And the bell goes and I'll go to class. and wish for 3 o'clock. The rain is coming. The rain. Me just casually walking in the rain like, no. Anyways, so guys, I'm home. Finally. Can you believe it's just Tuesday? Can't believe. I think I like Thursday today. Totally tired. Anyways, I was invited too early, but I'm not gonna make it. I'm too tired. I can't manage that right now. Because it starts 7 o'clock. I'm not reach home for now. So no. I mean watch today on my work. What to do? Make you go on the water boil for pump it in it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be cooking some veggie chunks with some potato. I'm not eating this for dinner. We're gonna have this for dinner, but I want this for my lunch tomorrow. And then I have the time to wake up in the morning and cook it, so I cook it from now. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the stove. It's gonna boil, and then we're gonna season the pots and season it up so it will taste like dog food. Yeah, so it's veggie chunks. I'm gonna show you. So I bought this like from last week and I haven't cooked it. So this is it. It's the Creation Foods Limited veggie chunks. I've ate this before. So yeah. So it's fiber. It's not meat, guys. So it gives you like the instruction to like cook it and all of that. The thing is, I don't have half of these things right now. I think we only have like probably 2 minutes for the chicken and then yeah, but I think we have half of these things then. So so these are my seasonings. Alright guys, so I'm letting that simmer for a few. Oh my god, sorry, battery I did. And then right now I'm gonna actually do the potato, which I'm not really showing you because the potato one I'm showing the box. I understand why I'm not really showing you that. Alright, so this is the box. It's mashed potato. So pretty much all you do, you're supposed to add water, salt, milk, butter, and you know, yeah. So you boil the water. I think everybody, it's kind of straightforward because on the box, not much. Some of the need to show that, right? Yeah. I might have to taste the things from tonight because it smells good. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna charge you guys so I can vlog later, maybe, hopefully. Bye. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna fix my test. I got back my corrections, so I'm gonna do that right now. So yeah. Alright guys, it's raining. Dogs outside, and guess what? Jeff is turned off the light from last night. Yeah, situations upon situations right now. Anyways, I'll try to get ready for work. The road look like no school, I not like it. Anyways, morning guys, it is Thursday. I have quite a few to do today because today I like my full day, so I have only per class. So today's gonna be packed. But anyways, my feet are soaked. It's raining and I've been it's been a long while. Yes, I'm doing a week in my life. Just move it. Hi guys, so I'm back home. It is Friday. So I'm gonna be chilling a bit because I am tired. So I'm gonna chill a bit and then I'll show you guys what's happening later. So this is like the last day of this vlog, and then I'm hoping that you guys will get this vlog by tomorrow. I did start editing, guys, so proud of myself. I did start editing, so you guys will get this vlog tomorrow, which is Saturday, which is the day you're watching this, if not, you know. So yes, I'm gonna chill for a bit while I charge you guys and all of that. So yeah, bye. Alright guys, don't mind the hair looking crazy, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.